Tomorrow's test, I have no special favor to ask. I just came to talk with you.